kids, good morning. For our mathematics subject, we will proceed to chapter 4 and it's all about multiplication. And for today, we're going to tackle about the meaning of multiplication. Before that, I will be reading a word problem for you. Aling Rosa sold eggplants in the market. She arranged this in 5 groups of 3 eggplants each. How many eggplants are there in all? So for us to know how many eggplants are there, we can count the eggplants one by one, or for us to easily count it, we can add the groups that have 3 eggplants each. Okay? So in this word problem, with the question, how many eggplants are there in all, we can have groups of equal numbers. Okay? So we can have it like this. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 15. And this is what we call repeated addition. Also, since there are 5 groups of eggplants, we can have it like this. 5, ito yung number ng grupo ng eggplants. 3, this is the number of eggplants in each group. And 15 is the totality of the eggplant. So ito naman yung tinatawag natin na multiplication sentence. And as you can see, addition and multiplication in an array or arrangement of objects in row and columns, which means that multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay? Okay, so let's study these examples here. So we have, let's check how many diamonds we have here. So we have 2 groups of diamonds and each group it has 5 diamonds. So for repeated addition, we can have it like this. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So this is the repeated addition. And for our multiplication, we can have it like this. 5 times 2 equals 10. Si 5 dito, siya yung number ng diamonds in each group. Si 2 naman, siya yung number of groups. And si 10, that's the totality of the diamonds. Okay? So again, this is our multiplication sentence. Another example we have here. So we have 6 diamonds. So for this, we can have it like this since meron itong dadalawang diamonds in each group. So we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. So this is the repeated addition. For multiplication sentence, we can have it like this. So si 2, yan yung number ng diamonds in each group. And si 3 naman, yan yung number of group of diamonds. And 6 is the totality of the diamonds. So this is our multiplication sentence. And another one, we have it here. Dalawang grupo ng triangle and each group it has 4 triangles. So we have it like this. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's our repeated addition. And 4 times 2 equals 8. So si 4, yan yung number ng triangles in each group. And 2 is the number of groups of triangle. And si 8, yan yung totality ng triangle natin. So again, this is the multiplication sentence. Another example, we have it here. So we have how many circles? So let's check. So we have, in each group, we have 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in each group, we have 3 circles. Okay, so we can have it like this. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. That's our repeated addition. And we can also have it like this. 3 times 4 equals 12. So si 3, yan yung number ng circles in each group. And then si 4, yan yung number ng groups of circles. 12 is the totality of the circles. So this is our multiplication sentence. Okay? Now, let's talk about the parts of multiplication. Okay, so for a multiplication sentence like this, 4 times 6 equals 24. So we have two parts. We have the factors, the product, and the multiplication sign. Okay, so factors, kids, ito yung numbers that are multiplied. They are also called multiplicand and multiplier. So, si multiplier natin si 4, si 6 naman yung multiplicand. Okay? And then, 24 is the product. Product is the answer in multiplication, and multiplication sign, that's the mathematical symbol used in multiplication. So, ito yung parts of multiplication natin. Now, let's proceed to multiplying groups of equal numbers. So, you can get the product or answer in multiplication in these ways. First, we can do it by grouping numbers into equal sets and adding to get the sum. So, paano ba siya? So, we have it like this. Okay, example. So, we have two groups of 6, diba? Dalawang grupo ng tag-aanim na circle. So, we can have it for addition, 6 plus 6 equals 12. And for multiplication sentence, we can have it like this. 2 times 6 equals 12. Okay? So, igrupo natin yung numbers into equal sets and then inad natin siya to get the sum. And the sum is the same as the product, which is 12. Okay? Next, we can also multiply numbers by skip counting. So, paano ba siya? Counting by multiples or skip counting is also like repeated addition. So, for us to find 5 times 2 equals 10, for us to check if it's really 10, we can do skip counting by 2. So, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Ibig sabihin, we skip count by 2s 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, our product is 10. Nakuha ba siya? Very good. Okay, so for us to have a practice, let's answer Get Ready on page 179 of your book. Study each group of pictures, then write in each box the correct number or word being asked. Okay, for number 1. So, as you can see, we have 4 groups of 6 fishes. Very good. So, 4 groups of 6 is, you can do skip counting by 6. So, 6, 12, 18, 24. Very good. Next, 4, 6, apat na tag-aanim ay 24. Very good. And what is the product? 24. For number 2, 5 groups of blank is equals to blank. So, we have 5 groups of 5 leaves. So, 5 groups of 5 leaves is equals to, let's do skip counting by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So, 5 groups of 5 is equals to 25. And 5 fives is equals to 25. Very good. And what is the product? 25. And for number 3. Okay, so we have 3 groups of 6 eggs. So let's write 6 here. And then how many eggs are there? So let's do skip counting by 6. So we have 6, 12, 18. So 3 groups of 6 is equals to 18. And 3 6 is 18. Very good. And what is the product? 18. Nakuha ba on how to multiply numbers? Just always remember multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay? And for your assignment, kids, answer work together on page 180 and work alone on page 181 of your book. And that would be all for today. Again, this is Teacher Juna. Have a good day and keep safe. Bye-bye!